This tutorial is about managing coupon columns on WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, which has a lot of advantages for bulk editing coupons in the table, like observing the values of coupon columns added to the table, tracing the changes made after bulk editing, inline editing the columns added to the coupon table, and bind edit. To manage columns on our plugin, you need to open the column profiles form by clicking on the column profile button at the main page of our plugin, and then, as you can see right here, some different options are designed in this form to help you manage coupon columns very easily. Let's learn how to use them one by one. First of all, choose preset. We explained in how to save and load column profiles on WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin that if you have already saved any column profile via column manager tab, those presets will be shown here and you can choose one of them to manage which columns you want to see in the coupon table. Here, by marking the select all checkbox or unselect, all columns available in the plugin will be selected and you can see all of them in the coupon table if you click on Apply to Table. As soon as you mark all select checkbox, it'll be turned to unselect and you can reverse the process by unmarking this option right here. And then in the middle of this form, you can see all of the available columns which are divided into different categories, which include general, usage restriction, and usage limits. This is mainly to help you find the columns you need to be displayed on the table fast and easy. Now, to add columns to the table, you need to mark the checkbox next to each column that you need and then click on Apply to Table. Then in the lower part of the column profiles, we designed an option in green called Save Changes, and if you go ahead and click on it, you'll see two options. The first option is Update Selected Presets. It means the new columns you've selected or unselected will be saved in the same preset in front of Choose Preset at the top of the form. This option is available when you are changing the custom presets and not the default ones. And then the second option is Save a New Preset. It means our plugin will create a new preset automatically and save those columns in that preset. For example, look what happens when we click on Save a New Preset after we select these columns, which are description, products, and usage limit per coupon. And the plugin automatically created a preset and saved those columns to this preset. Now, to manage the columns added to this preset, you can use one of these methods. Either mark other columns, for example, product categories in the column profile form, and then choose Update Selected Preset to save the changes. Or you can open the column manager tab from the main page of the plugin and then click on the edit button in front of the preset to actually be able to see the managing form. And make sure to check out our video on how to save and load column profiles on WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin for more information about managing coupon columns by this form. Alright, so we designed this search box in the column profiles form to kind of help you find and manage your preferred columns. All you need to do is type some part of it in the search text box. For example, we're gonna type status, and as you can see, the plugin filtered that column for us. And then we should mark this checkbox and then we can see its value in the coupon table if you just click on Apply to Table.